right, so here's some background. And you might want to write this down, okay? This is like stuff that you should write down. So, what I have found in my own Amazon business is that the pre-Christmas run-up is separated into two parts. And let's suppose that, well, let me show you the parts first. So the parts are that it is November the 1st through to December the 1st. So that is part one of Christmas. Part one of Christmas. And then part two is December the 1st through to, depending on the country, like the 21st or 22nd of December. And then I typically find that people stop ordering because they're then worried about getting the product in time for Christmas, okay? So typically they stop ordering then. So there's two distinctly different parts to Christmas. Let's suppose that in the totality of, well, let's suppose that we're in, just for ease of maths, in this part, December the 1st to the 22nd, I sell 1,000 units in total. All right, 1,000 units in total. What that would then mean is for the November period, so November 1st through December 1st, I will sell typically a quarter of that, so 250 units. I hope that makes sense. So that gives you an idea of what to expect as far as November, the pre-Christmas build-up, and then December, which is Christmas crazy, all right? Now, depending on what you sell, you will also make about 25% of sales, because notice that's 25% just there. 25% of your sales you'll also make in January, starting from Boxing Day, because people are then spending their Amazon gift cards. And you, depending on what you sell, you can make a ton of sales in that Boxing Day through January the 15th, because people spend their gift cards too. But let's just ignore that for now. All right, so that's part one. Now, how the hell do you work out, though, what is your at least best guess about what you're actually going to sell in the Christmas period? Well, to do that, let's just go back and do our barbecue gloves. So let's just find here, ignore your sponsored, ignore. And let's take the Amazon's Choice or the Amazon bestseller. Either one will do. Let's take the bestseller. Interesting. God, look at those. They look like some kind of crazy GIMP items. Anyway, let's go scroll down to bestseller rank, down to BSR. All right, bestseller rank, that's there. Now, we're also going to need another little tab open. Now, this one's called FBA. Toolkit. FBAtoolkit.com is the URL to use. FBAtoolkit.com. And then what you want to do with this is you will take the bestseller rank in the top category. So that's patio, as they say, patio and lawn and garden. This is number 771 in that top level category, not the bottom level category, which is that. It's the top level category, okay? Then I'm going to come down to patio, lawn and garden, find it in here, patio, lawn and garden, where is it? Patio, lawn and garden, right there. Plug it in there, number 771 is our bestseller rank. Click on go, and it's saying that it's making 49 sales a day to 35 yesterday. So let's say it's making 40 sales per day. So this product makes, back, scroll, about 40 sales per day on Amazon.com. So here's what you do. So 40 sales per day is what it makes right now. At Christmas, you should expect it to go 10x that. At Christmas, typically I find, and of course it's really going to depend on if you're selling something that's a good Christmas gift. If it's not, then nothing's going to happen. Forget all this. But if it's a giftable thing for Christmas, this is what I find. I find I make 10 times more sales in that 1st of December to the 22nd of December one, okay? So, barbecue gloves, 40 sales per day, 10x that is going to be 400 sales per day. Okay, so I want to have stock to facilitate that in the run-up to Christmas. I also know that I've got 25% of that, so 100 sales per day in November. Remember that? So I know roughly I'm going to have about that many sales during November. So that gives you the way to find out the starting points, or at least get a good guesstimate of the starting points. And also then it gives you some sense of what stock will sell in that part 1 of Christmas, so November, and then part 2 of Christmas, which is December. So it gives you both of those two different things. And Sue says, on the 24th of December, husbands go panic buying in shops. They certainly do. So, tomorrow, I hope that helps. That has been very, very consistent for me in my own Amazon business. Is this in USA? This is currently in the USA only because I'm in the USA. Look, so I'm just looking at Amazon.com. FBA Toolkit, so I've just kept it on Amazon.com, okay? But it's a good guess for Amazon.com.au too, all right? So you can kind of use that for Amazon.com.au too. I don't know if FBA Toolkit does that, but that's what I would do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.